हेलो, मैं दीपाली दुबे हूँ। हम लोग डॉक्टर माधुरी मैम सिलेक्ट किए थे मेरे प्रेगनेंसी थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी। सो स्टार्टिंग तो देखा जाए तो हम लोग भोपाल में स्टार्ट किए थे, बट दैट वाज द फर्स्ट session, you can say it like the first visit. But after coming to Pune, we decided like which doctor we will choose. Then we went to the practo, and there we found some positive feedback about the motherhood hospital, and the main part was that deciding the doctor. So we had like, I personally I visited the practo, then I selected Madhuri ma'am because I found a lot of positive feedback from that. So then I thought like, okay, let me visit the ma'am, then decide like how she is approaching my pregnancy. And throughout my pregnancy journey, I was like completely trusting her. I was listening to her, and the result came out. I delivered a baby girl on 23rd, and it was a normal delivery. And it's not like somebody forced me to go through the cesarean or the normal one, but the session given by the man, like she was like telling about everything. This is the positive and negative part of the normal delivery, and this is the positive and negative part of the cesarean delivery. Then I trusted her, and I was like, I chose normal delivery because throughout the journey she told me like, you need to do the exercise if you're choosing the normal delivery, and you should follow the diet whatever she is suggesting. So you should stick to that, then only you can go for the normal delivery. I'm telling it's not at all easy, but you need to trust yourself and the doctor, and you need to cooperate at that situation. It's not like a double-minded situation. So I will suggest that. But yeah, at the end of the day, you need to trust your doctor and the hospital you choose. It's not like you cannot trust them, and the journey will never be easy for you. But yeah, the journey is like that.
And from my side, actually, from the starting, I mean, most of the search and everything she have done, and I was with her and throughout the whole journey. And so basically, for all the visits, I was with her, with ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, and this hospital. So it was quite good, and she basically, all the sessions that they helped a lot for us to make up our mind to basically finalize either we have to go for cesarean or normal delivery. And also she have basically suggested some of the exercise. She even give some contacts to who can guide us for the yogas and what all the exercises required. And overall it's quite a good journey, I can say. And I really thankful to Madhuri ma'am for guiding us for this.
To smooth our journey easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing.